Hello, how are you? Okay, no. Hello, my name is Tenaiya Imani. Welcome to my channel.
Baby, you know that you'll give me these butterflies, oh yeah. The way that you look at me, I feel alive inside, oh yeah. Boosting my confidence when you're by my side.
Welcome to my channel. So today, I'm going to be reviewing the Nike Air Force One Shadow. They're so pretty, bro. Like, okay, first of all, this is the box that they come in. Just regular Nike Air Force One box. And nothing too special. I got a 7.5, and that's what I would usually get in the Air Force. And my black Nike Utility Air Force Ones, that's the size that I got, and I haven't had a regular pair of Air Forces in I don't know how long. So I was just like, I'm gonna go off of that, and I'm so glad I did because they fit so perfect. Okay, straight out the box, this is what they look like. They're so freaking pretty, bro. Like, hold up, let me get these views for y'all, because honey, do you see that? You see the Nike right here, like the word, like it's not even the normal check situation. Like I love that. And then I don't know if y'all can tell, but on this check right here is kind of a shadow, which is why it's called the Nike Air Force One Shadow. And it's more of a platform than like the regular Air Forces. Hold on. I love new shoe smell. Like, is it just me, or like it smells like amazing? Like what in the world, bro? And then I just noticed, like, on the tongue is like this gritting. I hope y'all can see that. Like, it's very I don't know, structured, and it's imprinted the AF1 right here, and then it's the regular Nike Air Force One bottoms, but this little labeling on the side, and just the extra little oomph with the eyelet, 2 eyelets more than, you know, usual. I'm gonna actually get my other Air Force and compare it. So these are the black Nike Utility Air Forces. Let me just put them bottom to bottom. The platform over here for this shoe, it's like maybe an inch and a half. This is more closer to 2 inches straight up. I'm trying to see any differences. On these, it's the regular little check right here, and like I said, over here it has AF1 instead of a check. Oh, and this is white instead of the normal silver like a regular Air Force would have. There's no like extra eyelet on this shoe either, so interessante. Yeah, but hold up. I'm telling y'all to hold up, like it's waiting on me. But oh wow, and then it got this extra little thing right here. I don't know what this would be called, but yeah, it has an extra lining here and an extra lining here. So I see where they're going with the little shadow situation. I see it more now that I'm analyzing it. Got this trail twice. I don't know if I said that already or not, but I really hope y'all can see that check shadow. Looks the freaking bomb. And I'm gonna do a on foot part. I don't know where I'm gonna put it at yet, but yeah, I really love these. I can't wait to wear them. Like I said, I haven't had a regular Nike, or not even regular, because it's not regular, period. Just the white Air Force in a minute, and these stepped out of the box. Like, if there was a box for Air Force Ones. This one, it said, baby, I'm out here. Like, what's up? So I would definitely say size down, half a size in these. This is a woman's shoe. I'm pretty sure like men could get this shoe. Just, you know, of course, get your men's size in relation to the women's size. And yeah, they look so freaking pretty, bro. Like, I feel like words can't even say how pretty I believe this shoe is. Like, it's just so cute. Like, oh my goodness. And yeah, last little bottom check. I hope this was helpful. Please like if you enjoyed it. Comment down below any questions, suggestions of things that you would like to hear more about this shoe or other shoes in general. I will definitely be doing more sneaker reviews in the future. Thank you to my subscribers. If you are already subscribed, you know, gang. If you're new here, please click that subscribe button down below. Click the notification bell just so you can be notified whenever I post again. And yeah, thank you all again, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Baby, you know that you'll give me these butterflies, oh yeah. The way that you look at me, I feel alive inside, oh yeah. Boosting my confidence when you're by my side.